Welcome to What's New in MicroStation 2026. The MicroStation Python Assistant has been upgraded for MicroStation 2026 to include the latest model and other system enhancements. This update focuses on significantly improved code reliability and a reduction in hallucinations. By leveraging a more robust logic, reasoning, and checking, the assistant produces more accurate scripts for design automation tasks while offering deeper reasoning, more rigid contextual understanding, and greater alignment with the MicroStation Python API to streamline the entire Python creation and editing process. The Select Geographic Coordinate System dialog now supports new features to help you choose the right coordinate system for your project. When choosing a coordinate system, the dialog will now provide a map to show you the corresponding geographic location of the selected system with a pink overlay of the specific region. As you can see, this feature is available for all sized systems from country to statewide. Additionally, there is a detailed properties panel and a hide deprecated button, which allows you to filter out outdated coordinate systems. The next new feature is the Search Location tool. With the assistance of Google Maps, this tool will allow you to search for a specific address and automatically locate it within your current coordinate system. This feature will accelerate project setup and allow you to quickly locate any address in the world with ease and precision. MicroStation has added new immersive 3D context, allowing you to add powerful, real-world context to your design in seconds, such as a global terrain from cesium draped with road, satellite, or hybrid imagery. You can also apply cesium OSM buildings as seen here. These building tiles are fully customizable from color to display style. Additionally, the Feature Info tool can be used to display the metadata for these buildings, providing useful information for infrastructure design. The dialog also supports Google 3D, allowing you to source from high-resolution photorealistic 3D meshes from Google, effortlessly streaming reality data directly into view. The new Configuration Creator puts full control in the user's hands, allowing them to set up and edit configurations, workspaces, and work sets quickly without scripting. This feature simplifies setup while ensuring consistency across projects. In the Content tab of MicroStation, you can access the new Component Center, a modern, cloud-based library, where you can select a project and subsequently select any component from the project library to place directly into your model. You can see here the variety of components ranging from large buildings to something as small as a ladder. Adding the component to your model is as simple as selecting the desired one and clicking place. By consolidating, this tool ensures standards and saves time with smarter, connected component management for digital delivery, bringing deeper integration and iTwin-ready workflows to MicroStation. MicroStation has an updated integration to deliver better performance and support new 3D connection space mouse devices. This makes for a more dynamic way to manipulate your design with a fully customizable mouse. You can set buttons to modeling, constraints or pattern tools, and so much more. Set each button to specialized actions to experience smoother, faster 3D navigation. Our next feature is the new Windows 11 Lite theme that can be accessed in User Preferences under Color Scheme. Changing the theme to Windows 11 Lite alters the look and feel of both the ribbon bar as well as the file menu. This new feature allows a cleaner style without sacrificing the familiarity of the old layout. The new theme provides a sleek, modern rehaul to the classic MicroStation design. Bentley Copilot accelerates onboarding and learning with instant, in-context guidance. The assistant is equipped with memories, which allows it to tailor its responses to you. In this example, we will tell the assistant we are transitioning from AutoCAD. With this in mind, Bentley Copilot will answer whatever question we have in a matter of seconds. In this example, we will ask a simple question about the best way to create a surface with a set of parallel curves. Not only has the assistant noted parallels with AutoCAD, but it has also provided a detailed workflow complete with images, directions, and even references. The assistant can support onboarding, assist with technical documentation, optimize workflows, and so much more. Other new features in MicroStation 2026 include updated sheet indexing, allowing you to create flexible, scalable sheet indexes, eliminating limitations, simplifying workflows, and ensuring compatibility with archived sheets. The multi-annotation scale feature gives the ability to display multi-annotation scales for text elements. The text editor window now supports undo and redo actions on text style, change case, and many more features. You can now add bullets and numbering to the text in the text editor using the bullets and numbering tool. The new custom line style editor improves usability and efficiency for design professionals by introducing a modern interface that simplifies the creation of custom line styles. Finally, visibility states let you control which elements of a parametric cell are shown or hidden, all within a single definition. By switching between predefined states, you can quickly present different design options without duplicating geometry. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about what's new in MicroStation 2026 and keep up with current news.